Hi, welcome to Between the Covers. Here we have Pop-Up Peekaboo Numbers by DK for young readers 2 years and up.
This 12-page interactive board book features bold pop-ups and engaging lift-the-flaps. One baby bee is flying on a hot summer day. She's looking for her family. Did they fly this way? 1B. Is baby bee's family in the flower pot? 2 worms. Peekaboo. Nope, 2 wiggly worms live here. As young readers explore these surprise spreads, they will learn to recognize, name, and describe the pictures they see, such as the bee, the worms in the flower pot, and they'll also develop their number recognition and counting skills, such as the numeral 1 with 1 spelled out, 2 and 2, can count the 2 worms. Three pretty flowers are growing side by side. Who's inside this tiny house? It's the perfect place to hide. 3 flowers. The captivating rhyming text reinforces letter sounds. Now, are the bees in the tiny house? Lift the flap for a surprise. Oh, the flap actually goes down here. Peekaboo. Nope. 4 noisy little birds live here. Again, get to recognize the numerals and the numbers spelled out and can actually count the objects on the page. 5 red tomatoes, all juicy, plump, and round. Are the bees hiding here? Will they soon be found? 5 tomatoes, 1 bee again. Here's a cabbage. Let's look behind the cabbage. Peekaboo! 6 smiley snails are hiding here. Can you spot them and count them? 7 friendly caterpillars say, your family just flew past. Look behind the bush, baby bee. Have we found the bees at last? Here we have our 7 caterpillars. And try to spot them on the spread. Is baby bee's family behind the bush? Peekaboo! No, 8 beautiful butterflies are hiding here. 9 rosy red apples are growing on the tree. What's that noise? Can you hear it? It sounds like buzzing to me. 9 red apples. Is baby bee's family in the hive? This time we open up. Peekaboo! Yes, it's the 10 buzzy bees. Can you spot them all? Pop up peekaboo numbers.